Generate as much money as you want, as many times as you want, even if you don't own a camera. There is no need for special skills. All you have to do is click on these images and then click the download button. And with that, you'll be paid through this worldwide website. Yes, you, the person who is currently watching, can do this and make income online. This is a great way to make money because you won't have to update anyone, and you can do this in your free time. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cash Flow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be always updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and any suggestions. Now let's get right to the first website I'll be going to show you. Type on your browser Krello.com. As you can see on the home page, it is a designer website where you can come and then use the thousands of layouts that this site has to offer. For example, creating an Instagram post, posting an Instagram story, and so on. So yes, it is essentially a website for designers. But what if you don't even have any design skills to begin with? Let me tell you that you do not have to be a skilled or expert designer to do this job to be able to do this. You simply don't need any experience, and you'll quickly discover that it's super simple, and the overall process is, as promised, extremely easy. Anybody can do this and earn money. All you must do is follow the instructions in this tutorial and keep on watching. The first thing you have to do when you arrive on this website is register by clicking the sign up button in the upper right corner. To top it all off, this is absolutely a free platform, so you won't have to spend anything. It is worth noting, however, that they do have different price plans. So if you're using them in the long run, you'll have to pay for them once the trial period expires. However, because of the amount of revenue, you will be able to pay this website. This will not be an issue. In any case, you'll be directed to this website to register, which you can do by linking your Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts to Krello, or simply register via email by entering your email address and password in these two boxes. Then clicking sign up, and you're finished. Congratulations! You have just finished the procedure. When you've already logged in, you'll be able to see and use all of these layouts. They include Instagram stories and post templates, as well as YouTube thumbnails and Facebook posts. As previously stated, this website is unique in that it is a website for designers. As I previously mentioned, if you do have even basic creative abilities, you can use this platform to make YouTube thumbnails that can obtain you a lot of money over the long term. Thumbnails, on the other hand, would not be covered in this video because they need the design skills to create. But then you can design the rest of the platform, and as you'll see, the templates are basically done for you. All you'll have to do is change them to reflect your client's preferences, and you're done. It's as simple and easy as that to be compensated. Well, here's a picture of the website's editor. This is without a question the best feature of this platform as far as we know. Good layouts are unusable if you can't even change or edit them correctly, or if the editor isn't up to par. And the editor on this platform is, to say the least, excellent. You can change the background, colors, and of course the text positioning, size, and font. You can also type anything you want. Now that you figured out what Krello is, allow us to begin. But how will you be compensated? Please allow me to show you the platform where you will be paid. But before we continue with the video, thank you for making it this far. What are your thoughts about the video? Are you getting more excited to earn money online? Let us know. We love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now back to the video. The platform in question is Ladium.org, which you can see here. For those who don't know, this site is a freelance work platform where common people, including you and me, come to offer our skills such as transcription, graphic design, poster design, and so on. What I need you to do right now is to go to this webpage and sign up, since we're not going to pay anyone and we'll be the ones selling our services. You'll want to press on the I want to work here button. You'll be directed to that other page in which you'll need to enter your email address. Once you're done, simply click on I'm not a robot and then sign up. After you've finished the registration, this is how it should all look. And then you can browse through some of the other projects by clicking on the Browse button here. On the following page on the left side of the screen, you'll have all of these categories, and since we're here to earn money for the design, you'll like to skip ahead to the graphics and design category, where you'll see people that are willing to pay lots of money for a variety of things or services. In this case, logo designing could cost up to $25. Let's stick with this example for now just to show how fast you can create one with Crello. All you have to do is go back to Crello.com and type the word logo into the search box, and the platform will show you hundreds of prepared logos. Please remember that in this case, a designer would normally have to make a design from scratch. But thanks to Crello, you already have a logo crafted for you. All you have to do is select among these, and which one you select will rely on what your clients want from you. Once you open a logo, all you must do is change the text to suit your taste. If you download it and then email it back to your customer online, you could make up to $25 to $100 for a short time of work that was not even difficult. Keep in mind that the logo design I used as an example will only generate you a small sum of money. But don't worry, because you can earn much more profit by creating more logos. You can simply repeat the process indefinitely to make as much money as you want. All you have to do is find a client who requires your services. Now, if you want to make a lot of money, keep following all of the steps I previously mentioned. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!